Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink Bloom greens. Begin by reading the label and measuring the suggested scoop to avoid overdoing it. Use clean, cold water or your favorite milk alternative for a smoother taste. Stir or blend thoroughly until no clumps remain. Taste after mixing and add a small sweetener or fruit if desired to make daily use more enjoyable and consistent. Measure accurately and use tools that create a smooth texture, like a shaker or blender, to improve drinkability. Cold water or nut milk helps reduce bitterness and keeps the drink refreshing. If you have a sensitive stomach, begin with half the scoop for a few days, then increase to the full serving. Consider pairing Bloom greens with a small snack or meal to minimize stomach upset and support steady energy throughout the day. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is a cheeky little pick for your car to keep things smelling fresh after making smoothies or carrying supplements. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab one. It's a small, fun way to keep your ride pleasant while you stay healthy. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a time that aligns with your routine. Often morning works best to kickstart nutrients and sustain energy. Be mindful that some plant compounds can affect mineral absorption, so separate high iron doses by a couple hours if needed. For a more complete meal, blend Bloom greens with a banana, protein powder, and liquid for a balanced breakfast option. Adjust flavors by adding citrus or berries to complement the greens without overpowering them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.